How to fix Google Play Store not responding on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, apps, and then click apps again, and here just type Google Play, and as you see here you will find Google Play services. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache, and now go to Google Play Store and click for stop, and then go to storage, click clear data and click OK, and then restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.